Hey guys, I'm going to do something a little bit different today. Little BNCRC Monster Jam. Just fucking around with some throw together obstacles and ramps out here. If I like it, maybe I'll do more with it. The Sun Annihilator. That didn't take long. Let's see which one breaks first. Everyone seems to think the Sun will, and I agree because the Sun's got a lot more power than the other one does. Ground pounder ain't doing that. Oh, nice. Oh, stuffed it. I don't like the ground pounder's chances. Alright, a quick little run with that. Ground pounder is basically brand new. It goes a little faster than I thought. Oh, fucker. Oh. Oh. These tires have absolutely no foam, no nothing in them. Probably looks cool in slow motion, I'll bet you. Oh, you fucker. Switch trucks. There's no competition. You bastard. Oh no! I'll bet it popped that thing off again. Oh, and it stuffed the axle into the fucking dirt. It did this to me the other day. It's kind of a common problem with these fuckers. Huh. It tears that right off there, but then it's not broken. It just needs to be put on there better. That is a design flaw. I guess we're back to the ground pounder. Turn too tight on four-wheel steer. Oh, you fucker. Oh, ran over the cameraman. That's probably not a good idea. Nice. Oh. Pop the knuckle back together again. Fucking thing. See how long it stays together this time. Oh. Did it just fucking come on? God damn it. Now would it fucking... That time it spun all the way around the axle. It just doesn't lock on there. That's a stupid fucking design. You cocksucker face. Now you're gonna die. Fucking junk. Piece of shit, man. Knuckle won't stay on there at all. Oh. There you motherfucker. How you like that? Pop it right off there again. Good deal. I don't know what the fix is for that. I guess I could try gluing the motherfucker on there.